Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to add your Citi Strata card to Apple Wallet. If you're tired of fumbling for your physical card during payments, this is a game changer, enabling seamless Apple Pay transactions right from your iPhone. Let's get started. First off, ensure you have the Citi mobile app installed on your iPhone. If you don't, head over to the App Store, download it, and log in with your account credentials. This app is key because it handles the secure integration. Once you're logged in, open the Citi mobile app and navigate to your Citi Strata card. You'll usually find it on the home screen or under your Accounts section. Look for an option that says, Add to Apple Wallet, or something similar. It's often right there on the card details page. Tap on it to begin the process. Your iPhone will then prompt you to verify the card. This might involve entering your card's security code, like the CVV, or confirming details through the app. Don't worry, this is all for security, so follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After verification, your Citi Strata card will be added to Apple Wallet automatically. You can now open the Wallet app to see it listed. To test it out, go to a store that accepts Apple Pay, double-click the side button on your iPhone, and select your card for a contactless payment. One quick tip. If you encounter any issues, make sure your iOS is up to date, as older versions might not support this feature. Also, double-check that your Citi Strata card is eligible for Apple Wallet. Most modern cards are, but it's always good to confirm in the app. There you have it. Adding your Citi Strata card to Apple Wallet is simple and secure, saving you time and hassle. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy guides. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.